are done unboxing the Radiolink RC4GS, and we are editing now the video. So we have another box to unbox, and this time I don't know where it from or who sent me this product. I'm not expecting any item to be delivered this month for me outside of UAE. Actually, I received 3 boxes today, and the first one was the Radiolink RC4GS that I purchased from Amazon yesterday, and the other one was the WPL C54, and that was confirmed that belongs to my friend, and I will do unboxing also for that WPL C54. So for now, we gonna unbox this mystery box and mystery you call this sender. So let's start unboxing this box. So we have this scissor, and let's start the unboxing. From the box we can see here RC parts L6213. So what is L6213? I'm not sure if this is a WLTOYS or what brand. This is new to my eyes, and I don't know what is L6213. And the sender right here, the value is only $3.0, total weight of 0.3. Let's check on the other side. Okay, the sender declared this item worth of 787 AED. Actually, this is not 787 AED. I don't know what's the real price, but I only paid the service charge, which is 69.35 dirhams. So I don't know where it came from or who sent me this box. So let's proceed opening this box. It's a pack call this box. This is from China, and this is my first time to receive an item from China that is properly call this pack. So let's proceed. So this is the first layer of the box, and there's another layer. Oh my god, they packed the box really nice. So I need to open another box. Okay, finally we opened the box, the main box. Maybe guys, you are wondering why I cannot tell who sent me this product. Actually, there is a name here, okay, but this number, actually this is the local post office here in UAE. So this is the local post office. From here there is no identification for the original sender. Let's read what's on this one. We agree and adhere to EPG terms and conditions printed on the reverse of this waybill. So maybe it's inside. Maybe we can check it later. So let's go to the main box. So what's inside the main box? Dun 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 dun. Cannot pull it out. It's hard to record this video. Let's pause for a while. Guys, as you can see, there's a wheels, rubber wheels, and white rim. So let's pull it out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get out of the box. Yeah. Oh. So guys, this is the LC Racing. So this package belongs to Miss Lisa Chen. Lisa Chen. So for this for this item, I wait for, I think, 2 months or more. So I thought this one will not arrive or it will be cancelled. So this is the L6213. What is TRUGGY? Maybe baggy TRUGGY conversion kit, clear body. So this is the package that I'm waiting for. Maybe the sender of this one, it's the original the original document was written on the other part of the box. Maybe the costume already checked this one. So we have the L6213. Let's check what is inside of this plastic bag. Actually guys, I requested Lisa Chen to pack my item nicely so it will not be deformed since the clear body is included. So I'm really impressed and happy for the customer service and the way they deliver my item. So let's start opening this plastic bag. So inside the plastic bag we have the wheels. This is the wheels. It's as a soft wheels, soft tires. I'm not sure if there is a foam. It seems there is. And a nice looking rim, white rim. I think this is 12mm hex, so you need the 12mm hex adapter. Anyway guys, before I continue this unboxing, for this item I'm planning to use it on my WLTOYS 144001, and this is my conversion kit. Since I'm a TRUGGY lover, so I choose the TRUGGY version. So what else we have? We have here 4 body clips. 4, let's count it. Oh, it's only three body clips, so you need to put it here. 1, 2, 3. So guys, for this canopy, I'm planning to bring it in Philippines and to visit some artists there to do the spray paint for this canopy. So maybe I will put here the Doneta, and on the other side maybe the Mactan, so it will represent the Philippines. So what else we have here? This is the decals, EMBT. So maybe I will not use this one since I will do a spray paint for this canopy. So this is the wings. And what else we have? This is the upper deck. And we also have here the, what is this? A drive shaft. I think this one will not fit for WLTOYS 144001. WLTOYS 144001, I think it's a little bit shorter than the LC TRUGGY, the LC TRUGGY 14th scale. So LC TRUGGY is the real 14 scale, but the WLTOYS also declare the 144001 as 14 scale baggy. So another set. So we have here 2 sets, total of 4 tires. And what else we have here? So this is the chassis. And for this chassis, I cannot use for WLTOYS 144001 since the 144001, as I said, it's little bit shorter than the L6213. So there is also side guard, so I cannot use also this one. So maybe I will do some modification to fit it on my WLTOYS 144001. And this is the body post. This is for the front, these 2 long tower or post. And what else we have here? This is also I think this is the tower, I think, and this is the post, and some screws included also. Oh, there's a grab screw, so nice. So I'm so thankful for Miss Lisa Shen for sending me this item that I waited for 2 months, and I can say worth the wait because they send my items in good condition, no damage, especially for the canopy. So guys, that's it for this L6213 TRUGGY conversion kit clear body. So thank you guys for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.